Hey guys, exciting news. The Art With Area studio is 99.99999% finished, and that means we are hitting the road today.
There are only a few little details to take care of. For example, the door back there needs some painting, some artwork on it. We're gonna do that later once we are on the road, because this is not essential for us to be on the road. So just a few minutes ago I went outside to make sure that everything is okay with the tires, the fluids in the engine are okay, oil, transmission, power steering, all those things, and everything seems to be fine. So we are ready to get on the road.
So our first stop is going to be the Florida Keys, and that way the route can start from the southernmost point in the States.
Another reason to drive to the Keys is to test drive this bus. We have driven it around just to get materials and stuff, just short trips, but never a long trip like this one. It's going to be 400 miles, so it's going to be a good test for the engine. In the case that we find some issues with it, we can always come back to Fort Lauderdale, stay for a week, and fine-tune the engine so that it's ready for the next 2 months that we already have planned, right?
Yeah, so we have murals, workshops, some performances already planned. So stay tuned because we're just really excited to be finally digging into this work along with our own art.
Very soon we're going to be posting that specific route. So hopefully we'll get to meet some of you along that route. And so now what we're going to do is let's go outside, make sure and double check that all the doors are closed. And let's get this baby on the road.